How to list your item. Once you log in, you are taken to the homepage of our site. To start selling, click on the List Your Item button. Choose the type of instrument you would like to sell. For this example, we will choose the pianos, keyboard, and organs category. Now let's choose a subcategory. I will choose digital pianos. Some of these items might also have up to 3 subcategories, like the digital piano section. For this example, I'm going to choose a digital upright piano. Now let's give our ad a title. When doing this, try to be as specific as possible. Next, let people know the brand and model of your item, and finally provide a detailed description of the product you are selling. Once you're done, click the Next Step button. In this section, you can upload your product images. The featured image is the one that people will see when searching for a product, and it is also the main image in your product description page. I have already preloaded my image, but when you start out, you will need to upload the images directly from your computer. The best image size to use is 500 by 500 pixels. You can also add more photos to your listing by clicking the Add More Photos button. If you happen to have a YouTube video of your product, simply copy the link of your video and paste it in this field. Once you're happy with your product images, click the Next Step button. Here we need to choose the item's condition. Please choose an option that best describes the condition of your item. For this example, the item we are selling is used, but in excellent condition. Next, we need to select the type of listing we will use to sell our digital piano. There is 2 options to choose from. One is a normal auction, and the other is a fixed price listing. If you hover your mouse over each of the question marks, you are provided with the description of your listing type. If we choose a normal auction, we can set a duration of 3 to 10 days, a starting price, and also a buy it now price, which is the reserve amount that you would be happy to sell your item for. If we choose the fixed price option, you can also set a duration of 3 to 10 days. But with this type of listing, you can choose the Until Canceled or Sold option, which we highly recommend when selling a fixed price item. For this example, we are going to choose the fixed price option. Click on the Next Step button to continue. The shipping section is the final part of the listing process, but probably the most important. Each of the shipping options has a description which you should read before making a choice. For example, if you were to choose the standard shipping option, you will need to include the shipping cost for every single region. If any of the regions have a 0 amount, this will mean that the shipping to that region is free of charge. If, however, you choose the flat shipping option, you are willing to ship your item at the same rate to all of the listed regions below. You can, however, change the price to regions that are further away from you. For example, if I have a flat rate of $100 for shipping and reside in Victoria, I may decide to charge $150 for shipping to Western Australia, considering it's much further away and would be more expensive to ship to that state. You also have the option to offer your customers international shipping to countries that you choose. To add a country, click the Add International Shipping button. Now choose a country and select the amount that you would like to charge for shipping. To add extra countries, just click the same button again. Make sure that you calculate the correct amount of your courier or postal service before committing to a price. The last field allows you to add a product handling fee. This, however, is optional. Now you can either save your listing and refine it later, or go right ahead and list your item. Whether you save or list your item, you will be able to preview it and see what it'll look like to all potential buyers.